From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
High-level cloud cover starting to spread in tonight, and dew points also already in the mid to upper 30s will mean that we are not going to drop nearly as fast as last night with the temperatures, and we're also not going nearly as low as last night with the temperatures either, slowly dropping out of the 40s into the 30s in the early morning, and especially as the cloud cover thickens up and acts as an insulating blanket, that will slow things down to where we're only dropping to the mid to upper 30s for morning lows. Now, Futurecast is handling this close to correct, but not quite exactly, and we have to add a few degrees. Notice it's not showing the high-level cloud cover. It doesn't even bring it up to the Tupelo area until sunrise tomorrow, and it's already moving into parts of our region as of a few hours ago, so we know that's behind schedule. So we already have more of an insulating blanket across the area than what's being shown as late as sunrise. So I think you have to add 3 or 4 degrees to these printed temperatures here for daybreak to show the morning lows. I think it's mid to upper 30s across southern middle Tennessee, and upper 30s, if not isolated, lower 40s across northwest Alabama and northeast Mississippi. A mix of sun and clouds tomorrow, a west to southwest wind that all adds together to give us near 60 or the lower 60s for daytime highs as we head deeper on into tomorrow afternoon, especially tomorrow evening. Clouds continue to increase, and notice a spotty shower back in North Mississippi by 10 p.m. tomorrow on Futurecast. May not be that exact location, but that's the general idea, that there may be a few showers in the area during the overnight hours tomorrow night into early Thursday morning. Showers more likely beginning during the afternoon hours of our Thursday, and then more widespread heavy rainfall with embedded thunder coming into the area overnight Thursday night in through the early morning hours of Friday ahead of this cold front. Locally heavy rainfall, rumbles of thunder. You may be awakened by thunder Thursday night. Be aware of that. However, we don't see any signs of a severe storm threat because we're just not going to have the instability necessary for that. That will be off to our southwest over southern areas of Mississippi back into Louisiana. But over an inch of rain certainly possible as the heavy rainfall moves in. Maybe a lingering shower in the Friday. And then the rainfall clears out for the weekend, but scattered clouds around Saturday and Sunday. Briefly into the 50s behind that front Saturday, but we're already mid-60s as early as Sunday. Here's the temperature trend ahead. Low to mid-60s going through Wednesday and the Friday. Briefly down to the 50s behind the front for Saturday, and then we warm things up quickly as we hit Sunday into next week. And check that out as early as Tuesday into the upper 60s as we head into the first full week of February. This is not the permanent switch over into spring. This is just an early preview. We're not done with winter yet, but much warmer temperatures next week into the upper 60s and lower 70s during the middle and latter part of next week. So a decent preview of spring coming for the first full week of February. Increasing clouds overnight, only getting down to the mid to upper 30s for morning lows. Near 60 or into the lower 60s tomorrow. Clouds increasing as we head through the day. Maybe a shower or two during the overnight. They would be very isolated if they happen. Better shower chances start Thursday afternoon. Widespread rainfall, heavy at times, with rumbles of thunder Thursday night and early Friday morning. No severe storms expected, but maybe over an inch of rain with that lingering showers into Friday. Gradually but steadily clearing skies as we head into the weekend and early next week. Briefly cooler into the 50s on Saturday, and then we warm mid to upper 60s going into early next week. That's your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be filling in for Ben Luna tomorrow morning. I'll be here at 4 a.m. with your wake-up weather forecast.